Now in this video, we'll be creating this flicker effect or transition in CapCut. Please don't forget to like the video if at the end it is actually helpful. Now to be able to achieve this very well, you need to have two separate scenes. So I have this scene that I was just working, then I have this other scene. So you come to the next scene, you click, and then you come up here, and then you take on freeze frame. Now when you freeze this frame, a particular section will be freezed as you have seen. You bring it up. So once you have duplicated, you come to the upper layer, then you come to video and then you remove the background, auto removal to remove the background. Then now when the auto removal is done, you have something like that. Then next, you come and then you split it to the desired duration you want. So for me, 8 is correct. I'll just group it now like this, then I position it correctly. Then now, here's where the magic happens. Follow closely. I'm going to select the first layer, then I will hold Control to be able to select multiple layers. I'll hold Control, I skip the second, then I select the third, I skip the fourth, then I select, I skip the next, then I select. When that is done, you come to Video, Adjust, then you take on the curves. And then this Luma curve, you're going to take it all the way up like that. Now what we have just done is to create a very lighter version, as you have seen. Then now you come to Adjust, you scroll down, and on Exposure, you're going to take it up to have that white like that. Then what we have just done, the reverse, we're going to do on the other section that we did not select. Follow closely. You have seen that I've selected before, so you select, you hold Control, you skip, you select, you skip, you select, you skip, you select. Then you still come to the curve. Now this Luma curve, you're going to take it down like that, all the way down like that. I want to have now the dark version of it. Then you come to still the Adjust, Basic, you scroll, and then you take the exposure all the way down like that. Then you have something like that. And this effect cannot be completed without adding sound effect. So make sure you download your free sound effect pack, link in the description. Please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. See you in the next one.